Have you ever wondered why Aries is called the ram, why Leo is the lion, and how did these strange ancient names end up defining our personalities today? Behind every zodiac sign lies a fascinating story, one that blends stars, mythology, and ancient imagination. Today, we'll explore why each zodiac sign got its name, and what the ancients saw in the stars thousands of years ago. The zodiac we use today was created over 2,000 years ago by Babylonian and Greek astronomers. They divided the sky into 12 equal parts, each linked to a constellation the sun appears to pass through during the year. Each constellation had distinct shapes, or at least the ancients thought they did. And these shapes inspired names from animals, heroes, and myths. That's why zodiac literally means circle of animals. Aries represents the ram with the golden fleece from Greek mythology, the same ram Jason and the Argonauts sought. It marks the beginning of spring, symbolizing new life and energy, like a ram charging ahead. That's why Aries is known as the bold and pioneering sign. Those born under this sign are known for their leadership and their courage. They are natural-born trailblazers who are not afraid to take risks. Aries individuals have a strong sense of self and are fiercely independent. Taurus, the bull, comes from the legend of Zeus transforming into a bull to capture Europa. For ancient farmers, Taurus marked the planting season, and the bull symbolized strength, fertility, and endurance. That's why Taurians are said to be steady, grounded, and persistent. People born under the sign of Taurus are known for their practical nature and their love for beauty and comfort. They are reliable and patient individuals who value security and stability. Gemini means the twins, representing Castor and Pollux, two inseparable brothers from Greek myth. One mortal, one divine, they were immortalized side by side in the stars. Hence, Gemini represents duality, curiosity, and connection. Geminis are known for their quick wit and their sociable nature. They are excellent communicators who are always eager to learn new things. Their dual nature makes them adaptable and versatile, but sometimes indecisive. Cancer, the crab, comes from the story of Hera, sending a crab to attack Hercules during his battle with the Hydra. When the crab died, Hera placed it in the heavens. It represents loyalty and protection, traits often linked to the caring, emotional nature of Cancer. Those born under this sign are deeply intuitive and sentimental. They are known for their strong attachment to home and family. Their protective instincts make them fiercely loyal to their loved ones. Leo is the Nemean lion, another creature defeated by Hercules. Its stars are brightest in summer, and the lion symbolizes royalty, strength, and pride. That's why Leos are known for their boldness and leadership. Leos are natural performers who thrive in the spotlight. They are generous, warm-hearted, and confident individuals. Their powerful presence and charisma often attract others towards them. Virgo, the Virgin, often represents Demeter or her daughter Persephone, goddesses of harvest and purity. During harvest season, the sun moves through Virgo, a reminder of nurturing and service. Virgo's symbol of the maiden with wheat reflects growth and precision. Virgos are known for their analytical minds and their attention to detail. They are hardworking, practical, and have a deep desire to be of service to others. Libra stands out. It's the only zodiac sign represented by an object, not a creature. It symbolizes balance and justice, often associated with Astrea, the goddess who carried the scales of truth. It appears during the autumn equinox, when day and night are equal, a perfect balance. Those born under this sign seek harmony in all areas of their lives. They are diplomatic, fair-minded, and sociable individuals with a strong sense of justice. Scorpio recalls the myth of Orion and the scorpion. After Orion boasted he could kill any beast, a scorpion was sent to stop him. Both were placed on opposite sides of the sky. When one rises, the other sets. It represents mystery, power and transformation. Scorpios have deep emotions and a strong willpower. They are highly motivated individuals who are not afraid of challenges. Their loyalty to their friends and family is unmatched. Sagittarius is the centaur archer, often linked to Chiron, the wise healer and teacher. His arrow points toward the center of our galaxy. That's why Sagittarius symbolizes adventure, wisdom, and exploration. Sagittarius individuals are known for their optimism and their love of freedom. They are curious and energetic, always seeking knowledge and new experiences. Their philosophical nature drives them to explore the world and understand the meaning of life. Capricorn is the sea goat, a creature part goat, part fish. It's associated with Pan, who escaped a monster by diving into water, half transforming into a fish. It stands for ambition and endurance, climbing mountains of success while staying connected to spiritual depths. Capricorns are disciplined and responsible individuals. They set their goals and they work tirelessly to achieve them. They are known for their ambition and their practical approach to life. Aquarius, the water bearer, represents Ganymede, a mortal youth carried to Olympus to serve the gods. He poured water, the source of life, from his jar, symbolizing knowledge, innovation, and humanitarianism. Aquarians are known for their independent and eccentric nature. They are forward-thinking humanitarians who are passionate about making the world a better place. They are original and inventive, often marching to the beat of their own drum. Pisces, the fish, comes from the story of Aphrodite and Eros, who transformed into fish to escape a monster. They tied themselves together with a rope, showing unity, emotion, and compassion. Pisces closes the Zodiac cycle, representing spiritual connection and imagination. Those born under this sign are compassionate and artistic. They are deeply intuitive and have a rich inner world. Their empathetic nature makes them sensitive to the needs of others. So, the next time you check your horoscope, remember, these names weren't random. They're echoes of ancient myths, seasonal cycles, and human imagination etched into the stars. The Zodiac is our oldest storytelling map, a cosmic calendar linking Earth and sky. Maybe the question isn't just why they were named this way, but what those names still reveal about us, even today.